Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Netflix account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Netflix account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening your preferred browser, guys, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the address netflix.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Netflix. Just wait for it, and when you land over here, click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Over here you can see where I'm hovering. Click on the sign in, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter your email address and your password, as I've already entered it, or my PC has auto entered it for me. And after entering your email address or your mobile number and your password, click on the sign in button over here, or if you want to use a sign in code, you can do it, but for me, I'm just clicking over here. Click on the sign in and you'll be logged into the Netflix account. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can already set it from the forgot password button over here. If you click on the button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Netflix account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address, phone number and your password, click on the sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Netflix account over here. And there guys, this is how to log into your Netflix account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.